What's up, guys? It's John, and today is going to be the actual first time I'm ever watching an entire episode of an anime. I'm flying solo on this one, guys. Chris is going to be doing his own anime reaction to a show that he wants to watch. I'm going to be doing Chainsaw Man because I freaking love the idea of this show. I don't know much about it, but I'm really freaking stoked to get into it. And then we will be doing some reactions together. I think we've decided on Overlord, I believe, but we'll see how that goes. Either way, if this is on YouTube, what up, YouTube? Just know for sure that this is going to be on Patreon. The Patreon version will be completely unblurred, completely unedited. And yeah, so if you're on Patreon, welcome, guys. Thank you all very much. But either way, let's get into this freaking reaction. I don't know how long this episode is. I don't know anything about the episode. Hoping this goes well. I have no clue. Fingers crossed. Wha-boom. Bam. I'm so freaking stoked for this show, by the way. I've been waiting. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait. Yes. Heavy breathing. What's on the other side of this door? Oh, dang. He's got a little puppy? Oh, dude, he lives like out in the sticks, huh? He sold a kidney? He sold his eyeball? He sold a ball? What is he selling his stuff for? Jesus. Oh! What a cute little dude. That looks freaking cool. Yeah. Quick question. So he like pulls this thing's tail and it freaking starts up a chainsaw dog? It's like a dog chainsaw? Who thought of this? That's a freaking funny idea and I love that. And it's gonna be so gory. Ah! Gonna be the tomato devil. Dingy. God, really? A little cute. Oh my god. I feel so bad for him. You can incur a debt from your parents? Is that a real thing, or is that just something that's over there? I don't know, man. I pray to God that's not something that can happen here. I'm gonna leave my kids with all the freaking debt. I'm just kidding. But either way, that's pretty crazy. If that's really a thing, that sucks. How can you even be like punished for your sins of your father, so to speak?
ハンターはな、俺たちヤクザに悪魔の死体流しちゃくれねえぞ。それにデンジのいいとこが逆らわねえとこだ。
Even the name Dingy is kind of like.
このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。マジっすか。
Get it, dude.
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ。逃げたら豚の餌だからな。
Your pace up, dang you. Aw. It sucks that he has to think so much about money, man. Poor dude. Put jam on their bread before eating it. Aw. He's just eating a slice of bread. Aw. He's got a cute little chainsaw puppy. Score with a girl before he dies. Yes.
Gaki, 物乞いするなり体売るなりして明日まで70万用意しろ。
Oh my god.
じゃなきゃお前の死体をばらして売る。
Wow. Well, I guess now we know where the dead came from. What a horrible person! At your freaking dad's funeral? Aww. He looks so angry. Aww. What happened to him? Aww. Aww.
俺の血はただじゃねえ。これは契約だ。お前を助けてやるから。俺を助けろ。
They're like meant for each other.
死にたくねえ。
It's such a weird design.
デビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか?
Aww. Can you imagine sleeping with that in your face?
寝れねえと借金のこと考えてもっと寝れねえ。決めた。今日寝たら見る夢。食パンにジャム塗ってポチタと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして、一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。いいだろ。
Yeah. God, he has it so bad. What in the heck?
俺の母ちゃんさ、心臓の病気で血吐いて死んだんだとよ。
電磁悪魔が出た。仕事だぞ。
Man. Poor freaking dude. I feel so bad for him. It's like every part of his life is like ruled or dictated in some form or another due to his death that his dad incurred. That's horrible. No, this looks not good.
見当たらないっすけど、どっか隠れたんすかね。あ、もしかしてもう帰っちゃったとか。
Dude, they're setting him up. They're gonna beat the crap out of him or something. Why though? What do they have to gain from that?
俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだぜ。
はい。
犬みてえに従順だし、犬みてえに安い報酬で働いてくれる。
はあ。
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Got both of them? What?
俺たちヤクザもよ。もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。
Okay.
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
僕が望むのはデビルハンターの死。
Oh my god.
デビルハンター君、マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。悪魔の力あげるっつったらさ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがんのな。その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけどね。
Oh my god.
ゾンビの悪魔だから。デビルハンターは僕ら悪魔殺すから嫌い。だから殺しちゃうんだ。
Is that like all the people that he worked for or whatever? That boss obviously is now like a zombie demon. Or he's been taken over by a zombie demon. And is this like all the people that worked for them now? And freaking dude. I freaking knew it would look too quiet. Jesus Christ. Is this like a zombie show then? God. That's why we're okay against zombies, guys. Jeez, how's he gonna get out of there? Ah! God, dude, get up. Wow. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. What the hell? How is he supposed to what? Is this like one of the Quentin Tarantino movie where it's starting off at the end or something? Okay. Pretty sure that was the main character they just killed off and threw in a freaking dumpster. Jesus. I feel so bad for this guy. Ah, he's gonna live. Because he can drink their blood and, yeah. God. He's using him like a real chainsaw. Yes, I love that dude. That's so good.
ポチタ、俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもしれね
God, if you
え。
only
そう
knew.
したらポチタだけが心残りだ。腹すかして死ぬかもしれねえし、
Aw.
他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれねえ。悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。ポチタにそれができるんだったら、俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ。墓入った後だったらヤクザも追ってこれないだろ。そんでこの町を出て、そんで
But is it still gonna be like him, or is it the
普通の死
demon
に
now?
方をしてほしい。
Aw.
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
So then the demon's gonna take over his body now? Oh, that's freaking cool! They really did chop this dude to pieces. Holy crap. That's wild looking. So the demon has taken over his body now?
ポチタ、
Aw, he just healed him.
俺の体ちゃんと奪えたか。
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの夢を
Aw.
私に見せてくれ。
My god, that's like the sweetest freaking thing ever. He gave his life up for him? Oh, his little freaking tail. Oh! All the zombies are still there? Jesus, dude.
どういうこと？バラバラにしても生きてんの？なんで？キモ？やっぱ僕デビルハンター嫌い。みんなそいつ食べちゃって。
なんでこいつらは十分恵まれてんのにもっといい生活を望んだ。俺も同じか。ポチタがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくて、もっといい生活を夢に
Oh
見
my
た。
god.
そうか、みんな夢見ちまうんだな。じゃあ
I gotta say, what he just said there, like, he feels like he's the same as these guys, like they've consumed so much, and they still want more, and he's saying, like, how good he had it with his friend, and he still wanted more in life. Like, it's all perspective, man. I don't think it ever changes. I think no matter where you're at in your life, you want more, even if, like, even Elon Musk wants more, if that, you know what I mean? From freaking me to Elon Musk, everybody wants more than they've got in their life, and, dang, that puts it in perspective.
悪いことじゃねえ。悪いことじゃねえけど、邪魔すんなら 死ねえ。
Jesus! Yes, this one. Oh, well, I mean, geez, now he's dead. So,
さすがに食い殺しは死
I'll
ぬ
say
だろう。
dead after being eaten. Yeah, I don't know how that works for the demon inside you. Jesus, dude! Hear a little motor going. Oh, shit! Oh, God! What? Dude, the animation in this looks crazy. He looks crazy. Dude, I love this. God. Holy crap, dude. This is so good and so gory, and I freaking love this. How? Whoever would have thought of putting his chainsaw on his head? The 2 arms and the head? He died. Oh my freaking God! So like if you kill the demon beast, you kill all the, like, do his other dudes die, like its underones? Or is that vampires? I think it's vampires. He's like, dude, that's freaking awesome. I guess not then. I guess they stay up then, huh? You hired me to be a devil hunter? Yes! Yes! Oh, dude. Yes, dude! Okay, so like once he, I guess, kills all of them, he doesn't owe anything anymore, and his life's kind of free. This is freaking awesome. He's turned it around, dude. He looked freaking crazy, too. He was like screaming, his tongue's hanging out. I would cut myself on accident with the chainsaws. There's no way I could do that. It's like some government dudes like, what has happened here? Oh my God. Oh, her freaking eyes are cool. Whoops. Can he change back?
Hmm. 君、変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。これ、君がやったの?
He's like, I'm spent. Aww. Yeah. That's like the first good thing that's happened to him this whole show. Aw. This guy's eye back.
人だ。悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性はないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た公安のデビルハンターなんだ。
ああ。
君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
This makes me so freaking happy.
朝飯はどんなの？
食パンにバターとジャム塗ってサラダ、コーヒー、あとデザートかな？
I freaking love this.
最高じゃないっすか。
My first episode, freaking Chainsaw Man. I absolutely love that. That's probably like one of the first animes that I've watched where like at the very first episode, it made me feel something. Like, I feel really, really freaking bad for the way that guy's life's been. And I hope that this show is like, I hope that it's just him getting out of that. I hope everything from this point on is like a good life for him. Because like his little demon dog said, I'm going to give you my heart in exchange. Like, I want you to show me your dreams. So hopefully like this is like him living out his dreams from here on out. And I don't know, man. I cannot wait to see what the rest of this season holds. And yeah, I've got a couple of episodes to catch up on. So the next couple of episodes I'll be posting back to back. And I'm going to try to get caught up to where we're watching them on the same day that they release. So fingers crossed we'll be there. And yeah, on Patreon, I'm going to be watching the intros and the outros. And then on YouTube, I'm obviously going to have to cut them out for copyright reasons. But either way, guys, thank you so much for watching this. If you're watching it on Patreon, thank you so much for supporting our channel. If you're watching this on YouTube and you guys want to watch it unblurred with me and you want to support our channel as well too, I'll have a link to our Patreon in the description below. Y'all have a blessed rest of your day, and I will catch y'all later. Freaking toodles.